wala pang ganansya ang Pilipinas. Siguro, in the future years, 2025, 2030, pero as in 2015, hindi pa tayo.
Integration 2015 is actually a good step for a developing country like the Philippines in order to achieve global
Gusto natin mas maging abot kamay ang USC ngayong termino sa mga estudyante. Dahil naniniwala ako na kayang-kaya natin na mag-effect ng positive change kapag tayo nagkasundo at nagsama-sama.
Mas nandun pa din yung pagiging socialized ng efficiency na kung saan dapat ang socialized ay education ang mas
program right now has broken barriers because a lot has been accomplished the past year, but still it isn't enough, especially